we need 001 inks, because this printer requires a 001 number inks. So these are the inks, and I'll show you how to open this. So if you see the bottle, I can just open the bottle of 001. This will be something like this. Okay, make sure it is written 001, and you know that the number, these labels BK is written, and here also you can see that BK, C, M and Y is written. So whatever the number it is written, and 001, and whatever the color code it is written, we have to fill in that way. So I'll just open this pouch. See, I have opened the pouch here. Pouch is open now. Now what I'll do is I'll open the tab, and because you're filling it first time, so see, this is how it should look like. Okay, this is BK. Now what I'll do is I'll open the printer here. So I'll open it from this side. Okay, if you see, there is a place here. I can just open it like this. Okay, now I have to open this. So I'll open. See, the BK is written here. So I'll open the BK, and I'll see this ink is there. I'll have to put it like this and place it over here. Okay, I'll place it over here and I'll leave it. Okay, it will start filling in. If you see, it is filling in here. Okay, you don't have to hold it or anything, you just keep it there. Make sure the color code is matching, and then you can leave it, and it will, if you see, it is getting filled. And there is a sound coming. Okay, because the ink is getting filled, so sound is coming. And if you see now, the ink is almost filled. Wait till the sound stops. Now see, the sound stopped. You can't hear the sound. Now what you have to do is just open this. Take this out. Okay. Now this is filled. Okay. Now same thing I have to do with other color. I have the C color bottle also. I am opening the same. See, I have this C color bottle. Now I'll just do the same thing. Open this here. Okay. Now I'll open the C tab. So this is the C tab. I'm opening C. Make sure I'm matching. This is C. That is also C. Now I'm putting it here. See, if you put it, it goes at some place, and then again you will start seeing the sound. Now C is also filled completely. So what I'll do is I'll take out the C. I'll fill the other color also. So if you see, I have M and Y also. Again the same thing. I'll go here, open the M thing. See, this one is M. I'm putting it here, leaving it. You'll hear the sound coming, and it is filling. If you are seeing it, it is filling here, and if it is filling, once it is filled, then we have to take it out. Okay, now this is done. I'm closing this. Now I'm opening the Y1. See, this is the Y1. I'm putting it into Y. Okay, same, I'm waiting this to be filled. You'll hear a sound coming. No, Y is also done. I'll take out this. I'll close this. I'll close this. Then I'll close the tab. Okay. Now I have to reset the ink here. For that, if you go to the home, it's in that fill ink tank with the ink in the upper case. You can get this. After filling the ink, what we have to do is go to the menus, and in the menu you have these options of maintenance. I'll go to the maintenance. From there you have option of reset ink level. I'll select that. It says that if it is filled, I said yes. Then I'll select BK, yes, filled. Then C is filled, M is filled, Y is filled. I've selected all filled, and I go back and click on reset. It says that reset completed.